we guide you through how to transfer a Facebook page to another account. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your main account and go to your page. Then click Settings or Professional Dashboard and head to Page Access or Page Rules and tap Add New. Now, enter the name or email of the Facebook account you want to transfer the page to and assign it as admin. This step is very important because only admins can fully control the transfer ownership. After sending the invite, switch to the second account and accept the request from notifications, then go back to the page settings and confirm that the new account is now listed as admin. Once confirmed, you can safely remove your original account by clicking Remove Access, but only do this after double-checking everything to avoid losing the page permanently. This method works because Facebook doesn't have a direct transfer button. Instead, you are basically handling over full admin control.